everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up alerts on BMO online banking. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to set up alerts on BMO online banking, first what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your BMO application and be sure to be logged in with your BMO credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is just select the account for which you want to set up alerts. Then once inside there, what you need to do is either tap on manage or tap on profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and inside there select alerts and notifications. And once you're inside alert and notifications, you can choose the alerts you want from low balance, large transactions, bill payments, overdrafts, direct deposits, and check clearing. Select the types of alerts you want to receive, and then once that's done, all you gotta do is click on save or activate. You may be asked to verify via SMS or security questions to confirm the changes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.